Leadec, as an industrial service provider, operates in over 350 locations globally and supports more than 800 customer factories with safety as the highest priority. Leadec's strong safety record differentiates us in the market, helping us to retain employees in a high turnover industry and win new contracts. Leadec's previous approach involved multiple systems in different regions, which created inefficiencies and made it difficult to share best practices. Leadec was using different softwares in different countries, which limited our ability to standardize processes and reporting globally. This fragmented approach prevented us from having one single source of truth, slowed down data access, and made it harder to act on trends and implement optimization programs. The system needed to standardize processes across regions, ensuring consistent reporting and be highly usable for a diverse global workforce. Leadec launched Cority globally in 2020. Compared to other platforms, it provided the best opportunity for global standardization, ease of use for approximately 1,500 users, and scalability over time. Data is now consolidated, accessible in real time, and used across all levels of the organization. What once required substantial manual effort is now produced in real time. The platform provides transparency that allows Leadec to identify emerging risks, standardize responses, and implement best practices across all operations. By making accurate, up-to-date information available to everyone from frontline supervisors to senior leadership, Cority has supported data-driven decision-making and improved accountability across the entire organization. This has led to lower incident rates, higher employee retention, and greater trust from both Leadec's own workforce and from our customers. Cority has enabled us to link safety performance directly to financial incentives, creating measurable improvements in safety culture and enhance Leadec's industrial credibility. Leadec's goal is to remain among the top safety performers globally, regardless of industry. Cority's centralized, digitized approach ensures Leadec can maintain its position by providing the transparency, standardization, and scalability needed to continuously improve safety performance.